This video, we're going to talk about how to use the left function, middle, right, and flash fill. So let's say maybe you have these item numbers and you're required to extract the first letters, which is ABC, or numbers 1, 2, 3, or the letters on the right, which is SAN. So how can you do that? Let's copy our data to this side so that we can have space to work on. So to copy our data, you can just press Ctrl+C, and to paste it, just press Ctrl+V. So let's say maybe you are required to extract this, the first letter, the first three letters, which is ABC. You can use left function, which is equal left. So left function, it returns the specified number of characters from the start of your text string. Select your data, comma, then now we want the first three letters, so just tap to enter. Now you can extend it. So what about the three numbers in the middle? You can use a middle function and say equal mid. So it says it returns the characters from the middle of a text string given a static position and length. Highlight your data, comma. Now the start number. So in this item number, this number starts like in the 5th position, counting from the left. So which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the 1 is in the 5th position, counting from left. So just type in 5, comma, and we want the 3 characters, which is 1, 2, 3. Just type in 3, enter. Now you can extend it. So what about the characters on the right? You can use right function, just type in equal right, highlight the data, comma, we want the last 3 characters, so just type in 3, enter, and extend it. Now let's talk about the easiest way that you could have done this. So you could have just typed in the first 3 letters, which is A, B, C, enter. Then left click, left click, hold it down, and flash fill. Now here you have the first 3 letters of the item numbers. What about the middle characters? You can just type in 1, 2, 3, enter, then left click and hold, drag it down, flash fill. Now you have the middle characters. So the last characters, which is SAN, the first one, you can just type in SAN, enter, left click, hold it down and drag it down and flash fill. Now this is the easiest way that you could have done, and that's how the middle, left, middle, right, and flash fill works. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe so that others can discover my channel.